Hey everybody, I have got a free scenario for your Saturday. Plus, it's a moneymaker. So, not only is everything going to be free, you're also going to make 20 cents. I know it's not a lot, but heck, any little bit helps. So, if you're interested in what I've got to show you, then just keep watching. And if you're new here, welcome! I am so happy to have you. Would you please consider subscribing? Then just click that bell, set it to all notifications, and you won't miss a single upload or deal. And I also forgot to mention, y'all, at the end of this video, I do a little baking vlog where I show you my penny spice cake I baked. It's from my spice cakes from last year that I got for a penny. And then I also baked some cake mix cookies if y'all are interested. Alright, y'all, here's scenario one. We're going to pay $2.30, but we're going to earn back $2.50 in cash back. So let's go. First item is the Colgate Max Fresh Charcoal Toothpaste. You're going to buy one of those. Make sure you have this $2.50 digital coupon clipped. Here is the UPC. This is for the one priced at $3.25. Next, we're going to grab a Colgate Slim Soft Charcoal Toothbrush. Make sure you clip this $2.50 digital coupon. We're going to grab our Mucinex Fast Max Cold and Flu. This is the 4-count little box. Make sure you clip the $3 off digital coupon. Next, we're going to grab an Airwick Advanced Plug-in Warmer and make sure you clip the $4 off digital coupon, making it free. Next, grab one of the Febreze Small Spaces at $3.25, or if you can find a holiday scent that's attaching to the coupon, you will pay even less or possibly get it for free. Make sure you have your $2.30 clipped. Next, buy two of the U by Kotex Clean and Secure liners. These are $1 each. Just make sure that you have your $2 off two digital coupon clipped. We're going to buy a Glade warmer with 2 refills. I'm choosing to get it in the pumpkin because one store has it. It is $3, but if you can't find that, they have non-clearance regular scents that you can still earn the $2.50 cash back on. All right, so grab one of those bad boys, clip that coupon. Next, we're going to get one of our Kinder Bueno bars and make sure that $1.40 off is clipped because that makes it absolutely free. Oh, here's our breakdown. 1 Colgate Max Fresh Toothpaste, 1 Colgate Slim Soft Toothbrush, 1 Mucinex Fast Max, 1 Airwick Warmer, 1 Febreze Small Spaces, 2 U by Kotex Liners, 1 Glade Pumpkin Spice Starter Kit, 1 Kinder Bueno Bar. Our subtotal is $25 on the nose. We're going to subtract our $5 for Saturday, our $2.50 Colgate toothpaste, our $2.50 Colgate toothbrush, $3 for Mucinex, $4 for Airwick, $2.30 for Febreze, $2 for U by Kotex, and $1.40 for Kinder Bueno. That is a total of $22.70 coming off in digital coupons. We will pay $2.30 out of pocket, but then we're going to earn $2.50 cash back from Glade. So that makes this whole basket absolutely free, plus a 20-cent money maker. If you can't find that Glade warmer with the pumpkin refill for $3, try this one. This is regular price, $3.75. Your out-of-pocket won't be as low, but it will still be a good deal. It's just 75 cents more than the $3 one I picked up in my scenario. We also got a new cashback offer for $1 cashback on Oreo cookies, and this is a limit of 5, so you can do this 5 times in one transaction. It is attaching to our white fudge covered Oreos, and after that $1 cashback, it will be like getting them for 98 cents. Just in case you need an item for a filler item, we just got this new digital coupon for $1 off 2 American Greetings cards priced at $1. So if you need to replace something in your scenario, consider clipping this coupon and using some cards. I don't know how or why, but this Aussie coupon showed up this morning for me. $2 off one product. We can grab the shampoo. I think it is on the Miracle Curls. It is $4, so after our $2 digital, we will pay $2. I figured I'd share this in case you need a filler item, like one of the items isn't in stock, whatever, that happens to me all the time. So consider this as a replacement for anything in your basket. I figured I'd share a little bacon blog with you. I made some penny spice cake mix from last year, and I put together a delicious cream cheese frosting on top of it. So I just shared a little clip of that and the recipe in case y'all were interested. If you have spice cake mix you would like to mix together. This is me mixing up the cream cheese and I think the butter with the vanilla in it. I hadn't added the sugar yet. And of course I had to share with the dude as I was loading the dishwasher. He enjoyed the taste of cream cheese icing. I only gave him a little bit. I don't want to give my cat diabetes. I am not the world's best froster, so excuse this hideousness, but it tasted delicious. So here is the recipe in case you are interested. I just use salted butter because I don't care. I'm too lazy. I will just do it that way and skip adding the salt because I can always screw it up if I add salt. I can't mess it up if I'm using salted butter. And I just made a quick little batch of the strawberry cake mix cookies. I didn't have the white chocolate chips this time, so I just dumped all the cake mix in a bowl. We added the 2 eggs and the third cup of oil. Mix that all together. It's pretty thick. And then you just scoop it out by the tablespoon onto a baking sheet. Bake at 350 for approximately 9 minutes until the tops of the cookies start to crack. Then you take them out, let them cool, and they are delicious. They are a close rival to those crumble cookies everyone keeps going off about, which I would rather just bake my own dang cookies for a penny and save all that money. I don't know how y'all feel about that. I'm pretty sure you're on the same page as me. But I will talk to y'all in the next one. I'm working on some other projects for y'all, so stay cool, stay classy. I will talk to y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.